Hey there, fam, it's Amy with boopnbudgets. I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with some of your beautiful, precious time. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I'm going to do my cash stuffing for the second week of May. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I hope everyone is doing well and is having a wonderful day or evening, whatever time you're watching this video. So I did a cash condensing not too long ago, so my binder is a lot thinner than it was before, so I'm glad about that. So in annual bills, we're going to go ahead and put $25. And if you hear snoring in the background, that is Jack. Of course, he had a long day. So we have 2, 3, 4, 500 in the bank. 500 in the bank. And then 20, 40, 50, 60. So 560 for annual bills. Excuse me. So there's that. And then for birthdays, we have, let's see, what are we putting for? I think we're going to put 20 for birthday. So we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 45 in birthdays. And I have to take out some money, like $130, because my sister and her family came down from Ohio to visit, and my brother-in-law's birthday was on May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, so we took them out to dinner, and we treated them to dinner, so it was nice. It was a nice time. All right, so for car, I'm gonna put $25. 25, and so now we have 600 in the bank, 50, 70, 80. Okay, 680. And then Christmas, we'll put 25 for Christmas. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 400 in the bank, 20, 40, and 50. Okay, 450. I've got to show you nails of the day. I think these are really pretty pink. All right, so in clothing, we're gonna put 25. So now in clothing, we have 50, 70, 90, 100. 100 in clothing. It's funny, I was talking to my niece, and she was telling me about furries and Therians and the communities that they belong to, and who they are and what they represent. You guys, I'm so out of the loop. I never heard of it. I never knew what it was. And she was, and mind you, my niece is only 11 years old. So she was telling me, she's so smart. Just she's very articulate. And then when she speaks, she, uses these big words in her vocabulary, and she knows when to use them. She knows what they mean. Very, very smart girl. But she was telling me about all that, and I was like, wow, that it's very interesting. I never heard of that, so it was really good conversation with her. I always have good conversations with her when she comes over. She's just really smart and just real fun and funny, and she's got a lot of personality. She's just awesome. I love when she comes to visit. All right, so for Costco, we're gonna put 25, 20, and 5. So we have 200 in the bank, 20, 30. So 230 for Costco. And if you guys don't know what that is, go ahead and look it up, because I know if I try to explain it, I'm gonna probably mess it up, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to offend anyone. So we'll put 25 in health. But yeah, it was really, really interesting conversation. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 300 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 70, 370. All right, and then for household, 25. But yeah, we had a good time visiting with them. So we have 5, 6, 700 in the bank, 20, 40, and 50. So 750 for household. All right, so that'll do it for this binder. Let's go ahead and get into my black binder. And For Jack, we're gonna put 25. Oops, I took the whole thing out. It was Jack when he was a puppy. Okay. So for him, we will put 25. So now we have $3,125. $31.25 for my baby. And then for kids, we'll put $50. So now in kids, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. $720. Oops. This is going to be a short and sweet cash stuffing. All right, so for parents, we're going to put 25. Now for my mom and dad, we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 50, 60, 70, 470. I'll fix that later. Okay, and then for Roth, we are going to put, we'll put 25 in Roth. 20 and 5. So now we have 1,000, 1, 2, 1,300, 20, 40, 50. 1,350 for Roth. And then for taxes, we're gonna put, let me see, I have a little cheat sheet over here. We're gonna put $50. Are we gonna put, wait, hold on, guys. Actually, I wasn't supposed to put $25 in annual bills, so let me pull it out and put it in here. I think that's gonna go in for the next cash stuffing that I do. Okay, so we're gonna put 25 in here for taxes. So we have 5, 6, 7, 800 in the bank, 20, 40, 50, 850 for taxes. Okay, yeah, I kind of messed that up, but it's okay. All right, so for your vacation, we're gonna put $50. So now we have 1, 2, 20, $220 for vacation. And then for YouTube, we're gonna put $50. So that's 100. Okay, so that's that binder. And then I did want to stuff my 100 envelope challenge. So let me go ahead and go grab that one. Okay, here's my 100 envelope where I'm holding my money for my 100 envelope challenge. And this is all of the money that I have for my 100 envelope challenge, which is $8,555. All of that money is in the bank. So this is just going to be some cash that I add in here for right now. And then once it gets kind of bulky, then I'll go ahead and put, I'll go ahead and condense it down. So we're going to stuff number 37. And I'm doing the 100 envelope challenge a little bit different. I'm doing it in $5 increments instead of $1 increments. So I'm multiplying it by 5. So when I'm done with this challenge, I should save a little over $25,000. So I'm giving myself, I started it in 2024, but I'm giving myself like 2 to 3 years to complete it. So I don't feel rushed to make, to complete it. So I'm going to put 1, 50, 70, 85. 150, 70, 85. So that is going into here. All right, and then that's the only one that I'm gonna stuff today. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put money in my cash envelope for my wallet. So I'm gonna put $25 for date night. So here's 20 and 5. I still have money in here. I have $5 in here, so I'm just gonna add it. So I have $30 total for date night. For fun, I'm not gonna put anything in here, but I have $25 in here still. And then for gas, I'm gonna put $50, and I still have $50 in here. So there's 50. And then I have 70 left. I don't know why I have 70 left, but it's obviously not supposed to go in this cash stuffing, so that's okay. It's probably for the next one. So I'm just gonna put it back in here, and we'll be done with that. But that's it for the cash stuffing for week number 2 for May. And I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by, and if you made it to the end, please leave a black heart. Thanks for watching. Bye.